Good morning, dear students. Let us start our semester 1 sessions with module 2 representative elements. Okay, representative elements, and also I will be taking you this module. In total, there will be 4 modules, and each one of us will be taking separate modules. Okay, so representative elements means the elements which are coming under this category, that is they are the S as well as the P block elements. Hope you all know the periodic table of elements. So this is the long form of the periodic table, and see here, this is those elements which are marked in blue color, that is the S block elements. And this group, see this group starting from 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A and 8A. This groups includes the P block elements. So this part includes the P block elements, and this part, that is group 1 and group 2. These two includes the S block elements. Okay, so this is the S block. These two are the S block elements, and these are the P block elements starting from 3A to 8A. Okay, so this is the P block. Then here comes the D block elements, that is up to this, that is from 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8B, etc. up to zincs, that is starting from scandium to zinc, then yttrium to cadmium, then lanthanum to mercury. Okay, so this comprises the D block elements, and here these two periods comprises the F block elements. Okay, so this is the major classification in the periodic table. So this two groups, the first two groups, that will be the S block. Then comes the P block, that is this particular group. These particular groups, they are all comprising the P block elements. This comes the transition elements or the D block. Okay, so from scandium to zinc, only up to this, from scandium to zinc, that comprises the, that is from these three periods, scandium, yttrium, lanthanum, then actinium. Starting from these elements, they include the D block elements, and the last one, that is the F block elements. That is this period, and also this, that is starting from cerium and starting from thorium. Okay, so this is the major classification of the periodic table. That is the periodic table, it is having S block, then P block, D block and F block elements. So this S and the P block, they are together called as the representative elements. The elements present in the S block as well as the P block, they are called as the representative elements. And also I forgot to tell you one thing. You have to write the lecture notes for all my sessions. Okay, you have to see the video, and along with that you have to keep a paper and pen with you. You have to write the main points or the lecture notes, and you have to submit in our Google Classroom. How to submit that I will be telling you in our interaction session. Okay, so here this S block and the P block, they will be together called as the representative elements. D block, they are called as the transition elements. D block elements, they are called as the transition elements. Then under F block comes the lanthanides as well as the actinides. Under F block, lanthanides and actinides will be coming. Okay, so this is the major classification of the periodic table. And also in your this module, representative elements, first of all you have to go through some brief description about the element hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen, the symbol, it is denoted by H, isn't it? And also this hydrogen, it is the most abundant element in the universe. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. Most abundant element. And also another point, that is it is the lightest of all the elements. See hydrogen, it has got a proton,